3 angles to test in your sales copy. Hey guys, Jim Edwards here. Welcome to another edition of Letting the Chickens Out with Jim. And so we are in pre-hurricane mode here, which means the chickens don't really care, and I'm hoping we don't get smacked with too much from the hurricane, but thank you everyone who has asked. So, interesting story. This morning I was stretching with my friend Sarah, who is over in the UK. She's an awesome expert in helping you to have a lot more mobility, and she and I meet over Facebook Messenger video. Try to at least once a week, and we do a stretching session, talk about business. And Sarah's had an interesting experience that has caused me to rethink what I'm doing as well. And so Sarah deals a lot with helping people to eliminate pain, and has been testing different offers. And so what's happened is that she hasn't been getting the results that she wanted in some cases, and in other cases has been getting good results. And then she said to me, "Hey Jim, I tried this other angle and it's working really, really well." And it made me think that in my quest to help you guys to get results quickly with the least amount of effort and the least amount of thought, I sometimes run down a road and say, okay, this is the way to do it. And I'm actually violating one of the rules that I tell everybody, which is to test, but also then to beware of the absolutes. This is actually going somewhere. So over the last year especially, I've fallen into this pattern or this rut where everything is about the problem. Whenever we're doing sales copy, the default everything is the problem. And specifically with the headline or with the hook, it's all based on the problem, which is good sometimes, but other times it's not. And I look back at copy that I've written in the past, and I was looking at successful stuff that I've done, and about 60% of the time, it's not about the problem. And so that's why, I've been doing a lot of naval contemplating, not naval as in battleships, but naval like your belly button, contemplating my navel. And I realized there are actually three angles you got to test, and you got to test them pretty quickly. One is straight up the problem. So if we were talking about chickens and you were targeting chicken farmers, you might say, yes, I agree, that is a great angle. You might say something like how to keep your chickens from getting eaten by a fox. Okay, that would be a problem. The second angle that you need to test is how to get benefit without pain. So how to raise amazing layers, how to raise chickens that lay at least one egg every single day and protect your flock from being attacked by a fox. I'm just making this up off the top of my head, but that's the second angle, is how to benefit without roadblock, pain, or negative. And then the third one is what I call the 3x benefit stack, which is, attention chicken farmers, how to protect your chickens, get maximum egg production, and keep your flock happy and healthy. So whacking them with 3 benefits. And that's, so it's like a benefit overload type thing. And those are 3 angles that you really have to test. And I know, hello chicken. Hello. Hi. How are you? Hello. I was getting some editorial comments, but we talk about traffic temperature and cold, warm and hot. Cold is they only know about the problem. Warm, they know there's a solution, they don't know about you. Hot, they know you, they know your product. But I think that is important when we're talking about traffic, but you can still test those 3 angles on all of those traffic temperatures. So that's really been the big distinction for me, especially in the last week, is that it's okay, I'm telling you, it's okay with cold traffic to still hook them with a benefit. It's okay to hook them with gain without pain. It's okay to hook them with that 3x benefit. It's okay to test that, because I personally can see how I have run too far down the problem lane and need to rein it back in and take my own advice to do some testing. So I just thought, you know, this is the kind of stuff that I sit around and think about and that I work on and that I test. And I wanted to share that with you because I think it's super important, and it's something I noticed about myself, that I'm going too far down in one direction. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. If you are in the path of the hurricane, be careful, and we will talk to you guys soon. I am in the middle of working on the, I'm getting the one-time offer together for the Copywriting Secrets book. I'm actually going to be finalizing all that on Monday. So it's coming together, and our goal is to release that book this month. So have a great day. If you're not a member of the Sales Copywriting Content Marketing Hacks group on Facebook, you should be. And if you haven't signed up for the pre-notification list for the Copywriting Secrets book release, go to copywritingsecrets.com. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye, everybody.